Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, and of course practice them very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not seeing me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. It is an amazing custom made indicator which we have been using right here on this platform. Okay, starting from this support zone, it started an uptrend. That is why you are seeing the yellow flag, and it kept on going up until it got to this region. So it was unable to break out above the resistance zone, so it started a downtrend, so it is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, had a major pullback around there, but still went ahead to break out above this resistance zone, and of course it got to a new resistance zone around there. It was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there. Even though it's finding difficult to break out below this support zone, I'm very sure it's going to come back to try it out again. So we expect it to sell more once it breaks out below this support zone, but if it does not, then it's going to buy more. So we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. It was on a downtrend, on a very strong downtrend, and of course it is still selling at the moment. Okay, if it breaks out below the next support zone, it will keep on selling. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out below the support zone, that is when it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It started an uptrend right from this support zone, played around there for a while before breaking out above it to get to a new height. Okay, and of course it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so yeah, it had a pullback, and of course it will be trying it out again. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will change the direction into a sell trend. Okay, the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 started a downtrend right from here, got to this support zone, had a pullback, but went back there again. And of course if it should break out below the support zone to keep on selling, if it does not, it will go back into a buy trend. So it is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it's going to go back into a buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.